Hello. In this video I will review the professional swing indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can help us identify trends in the market and also show trend changes in swing points and also provide biosignal signals. When the histograms of this indicator are light blue, it indicates an uptrend, and when they are brown,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
it indicates a downtrend. Also, when it displays a number on the chart, when it is above 0, it indicates a sell signal, and when it is below 0 and shown in green, it indicates a buy signal. This indicator does not have any input settings to set, so let's go to the live test of this indicator. You can also use the MT4 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You will see the live test and this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.